Okay, welcome back to Senor Silverman's Casa. We are gonna try a little bit of Yeyo tequila. Been looking forward. I've heard really good things about this. Let's try it now. And then we'll make a nice few rounds of cocktails with it. That's good. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, I didn't have any limes, so we're gonna do a couple different margaritas today. When you don't have limes and you don't necessarily have a lot of time, you can get a really nice mix like any of these mixes. It's just super easy and fast. Do that classic margarita. I happen to have a little mango. Let's throw some mango slices in there just for fun. And a couple limes. Let's do like a spicy mezcal margarita too. Normally I'd be like squeezing all this stuff and chopping, but I just kind of want to show you something easier today. Got these Fresh Victor juices. They're just incredible cocktail mixers made with really fresh ingredients. And it's also kind of brand new to the market, so been excited to try it. And it's going to pair nice with our Taco Tuesday, which is going to be Nacho Tuesday. So we'll do something special tonight for the kids. We'll do a couple of mocktails for the kids too. So this is going to be a spicy margarita with a little cucumber. Let's do a couple of homemade chilies on top. Kind of Christmassy. Why not? Throw a peach in there too. And then we have, so I'm excited about this one. Let's do a little bit of Añejo tequila. This is Tromba Añejo. It's amazing. It's, Fresh Victor Pomegranate Pear. Beautiful stuff. A couple ounces of that. So, this is a lot faster than making everything from scratch, but it's just super good. If I had some friends coming over, might jazz it up with a little sparkling water. And I might happen to have this beautiful pomegranate. I like to go buy exotic fruits. I don't know. This is going to be fun for the kids too, because they're going to see where the pomegranate comes from. A couple of those. I got this for $1. Let's do a nice sprig of mint. Kind of put that in there. A couple more pomegranates on there. All right, so that's ready. And then let's do some for the kids too. So I got a different shaker here. So for the kids one, we're just gonna do the pomegranate and pear, and maybe a little lime. And that's it, they're gonna be excited. Give them a wild garnish on there. They're gonna be like, what is that? Hey kids, come over, come on over. This is for the grown-ups and these are for you guys.
Wow.
Pomegranate and pear.
Hey, give me mine.
Actually, this is too bad.
Mm-hmm.